Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox application not working or opening on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. First of all, what you have to do is open Settings on your Windows, go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, and in the Search Apps box you have to search for Xbox. Click on the three dotted button and click on Advanced Options. It will open a new page, and if you scroll down just a bit you will see two different buttons called Repair and Reset. Click on Repair and you have to wait. Once it's done, you have to click on Reset button and you have to wait again. Now close the settings and check if your problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is click the Windows button once again and this time search for Services. Hit enter. It will open this page. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom to the end of the page and you will see 4 different services of Xbox: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, as you can see, they are disabled right now. What I will do, I will double click them, and from here I will change the startup type from disable to automatic. Click on apply and click on OK. And you also have to click on start button to start your service right away, and then click on OK. Once it's running, you have to do the same process of all the 3 remaining Xbox services. Once you're done, what you have to do is check if your problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is hit the Windows key once again and this time search for Shell. You will see Windows PowerShell. Click on it and then you have to paste this command into your command prompt or your Windows PowerShell. You can take a screenshot from the video and copy the exact same command and hit enter. After that, you have to type in another command and you can take another screenshot and you have to type in this command and hit enter once again. It will open your Microsoft Store and you will see gaming services. All you have to do is click on the Get button to install gaming services. Another thing what you can do is go to the download section and check if there is any update available to your Xbox or not. As you can see, there is an update available for the Xbox Identity Provider. I will click on update, and if you see any update for Xbox, as you can see, my Xbox is really up to date, so there's no need to update. And after gaming services has been installed into my computer, what I can do, I can check again Xbox application and hopefully my problem will be fixed. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.